In this video, I will show you how to fix audio issues in After Effects. I have this clip in the timeline and let us suppose I cannot hear any sound. Here is how you can fix it. First, the most common issue is that you may have accidentally muted the audio. Go to the Composition panel and look at the left side where you see the eye icon. Below it, you should also see an audio icon. In my clip, there is no audio icon showing because it is muted. If you click on the empty box under the audio column, the audio icon will appear. This means the audio is now unmuted. If the problem is still there, another thing you should check is the Preview panel. Look at the right side of the screen for the Preview window. If you do not see it, go to the top menu bar, click on Window, and from the drop-down menu select Preview. In the Preview panel, look for the audio icon. Make sure it is not muted. If you see a mute icon, click it until it is highlighted and unmuted. If you are still facing the problem, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. Hover your mouse over Preferences and then click on Audio Hardware. This will open the After Effects audio settings. Look for the device class option. Make sure it is set to MME. If it is set to something else, you might not hear any audio. That is it. If you still cannot hear the audio, try restarting your computer and make sure your Windows audio is working properly.